ADT alarm systems often trigger false alarms due to sensor faults or low batteries. Sensor faults typically occur when sensors are misaligned, dirty, or detecting interference from pets or environmental factors. To fix this, first silence the alarm using your keypad code. Then identify the faulty zone using your ADT app or keypad. Clean the sensor and ensure it's properly aligned. If the problem persists, power cycle the system or consider replacing the sensor. Low batteries in wireless sensors are another common cause. Check battery levels via the app or keypad and replace them with ADT recommended 3V lithium batteries. ADT's app now provides low voltage alerts to prevent complete failures. Updating progress. False alarms can result from improper bypass use or incorrect entry delay settings. Bypassing zones disables them temporarily, creating unprotected areas if forgotten. To address bypasses, review your bypassed zones through the keypad or app and re-enable them once the issue is resolved. Avoid over-relying on bypassing to ensure full system protection remains intact. Entry delays offer a grace period for disarming after entry. If too short, they can trigger false alarms. Adjust entry delay settings in the system menu or app, ensuring adequate time to disarm comfortably. Test the new settings by entering and exiting to confirm they work well for your needs. Remember, proper setup and regular maintenance are key to minimizing false alarms in ADT systems.